everyone, I am Charlsie and welcome to my kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how to make something that's very carnivore or keto friendly and so easy on the budget. This is a Boston butt pork roast, and this is 5 pounds, and I actually paid I think $12.87 for this, and we will get easily 5 meals out of it. So let me tell you about the prep and then how to cook it. So what I like to do is whenever I'm going to do any kind of meat that's going to slow cook for a little while, I clean it. So I just rinse it off, pat it dry with paper towels, and then I start seasoning. So for this one I used Redmond's real salt and Paul Prudhomme's pork and veal magic. Again, if you are sensitive to seasonings, then you can skip it. Just do salt and black pepper. You'll be fine. I've also added some fresh garlic, and all of this was in my refrigerator for over 24 hours, covered, just kind of marinating. And for the final step, I'm going to add some olive oil. You can skip that, but I don't have any problems with olive oil. And I think that's what I love about keto and the carnivore diet is, you know, you just make it work for you. What works? You know, some people can eat whole sticks of butter every day. That's not me. Can't do it. I like it. I like butter, but I can't eat a whole stick. So anyway, I hope that gives you some, motivation to do this. So this is ready to go. My oven is at 450. So I'm going to actually put it uncovered in this baking dish for about 45 minutes. Then I'm going to knock the temperature down to 325 and let it cook. So it will cook at least 4 hours. I'm going to check the internal temperature, make sure it's done, but it's really that easy. You just put it in the oven and kind of forget about it. So I hope that I've inspired you to try this cut of meat. It has so much fat and marbling in it. It is the most tender cut of pork. And for those of you that are not carnivore but actually eating breads, you can make this into sliders, because this is the cut of meat that makes the best pork sliders. So there we go. I'm going to put this in the oven and then I will show you the finished product. Fresh out of the oven. It's cooled off a little bit. You do want it to rest for 15 or 20 minutes before you actually eat it. But this is the Boston butt pork roast that we cooked, and I showed you how to cook it earlier today. And this is how you want it to look. I will pour off all of this liquid and set it aside because it's full of fat. And I'll let that settle in the fridge and scoop off the fat and use it for something else. But I just wanted to show you kind of how tender this is. Let me just get in. And it just will pull apart. I'm just trying to pull off a piece. And this crusty part is absolutely the best. And so this is what's for dinner tonight. Tastes delicious. It's very moist, not dry at all. I hope you like this video. This was a very inexpensive meal. Like I told you, I think I paid $12.87 for this. I did use my thermometer. If you don't have one of these, it's a great investment. You just open it up to activate it and put it in your pork roast to make sure that it's done. It's cooled off a lot, but it has to be at 155 and it's reading 160. So I know that this is done through and through. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I'll continue sharing recipes that are healthy for you, especially if you're going keto or carnivore. So I will see you again real soon.